Hi, my name is Kamaya Anglin, and I will be discussing the structures and functions of 3 organ systems out of 11 of the body's organ systems. First, I will be discussing the nervous system. The nervous system allows the body to communicate by sending electrical and chemical impulses from the brain to the spinal cord using the nerves. This is how the body responds to internal and external changes. Next, I will be discussing the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system promotes blood flow by the pumping of the heart, which transports blood through the blood vessels. The blood vessels carry nitrogenous waste, nutrients, oxygen, CO2, and other important substances to the cells and other organs in the body. Next, I will be discussing the urinary system. The urinary system eliminates nitrogenous waste by filtering blood and creating urine, which goes through the bladder out through the urethra. Now, how does the COVID-19 vaccination affect the body positively and negatively? The COVID-19 vaccination can be beneficial by fighting against foreign substances, but it can cause fatigue, it can cause fever, chills, muscle pain from the cytokines produced in response to the vaccine molecules.
Hello, my name is Asasia Crawford, and today I will be discussing the 3 out of the 11 organ systems in the human body. So the first organ system I will be discussing today is going to be your skeletal system. The skeletal system is going to consist of your connective tissue, your bones, as well as your ligaments, and it is divided into 2 parts. So the first part is going to be your axial part, which is going to consist of the head, neck, and body. And the second part is the appendicular part, which is going to consist of your arms and legs. The next organ system I will be discussing today is the male reproductive system. The main purpose of the male reproductive system is to produce offspring. So this happens when the sperm is released to fertilize an egg. And the organs used in this system is going to be your penis, testes, scrotum, as well as your prostate. The next organ system I will be discussing today is the female reproductive system. So this happens when the ovaries are released during ovulation, which can then be fertilized by sperm during intercourse. The organs used in this organ system is going to be your ovaries, vagina, uterus, uterine tube, as well as your mammary glands. So how can COVID-19 affect the skeletal system? So bone and muscle loss can occur, and brittle bones can lead to breakage. How can COVID-19 affect the integumentary system? So the virus can cause excessive sweating, chills, as well as a fever, and skin rashes and hair loss can occur. How can COVID-19 affect the female reproductive system? So in a severe case of COVID-19, the female reproductive system can be affected by causing infertility issues.
Hi, my name is Genesis James, and I'm going to be talking about 3 of the 11 organ systems of the human body and discussing their structures and their functions. So first, we're going to talk about the digestive system. The digestive system's primary purpose is to break food down into smaller particles that can be transported through the bloodstream and then taken up by the cells. And you can see the structures as depicted in the image. And next, we're going to talk about the largest organ in the human body, the integumentary system. The integumentary system is going to line our body's cavities and cover our body's surfaces, but it isn't limited to just that. It also synthesizes vitamin D and does so much more. And then lastly, we're going to talk about the muscular system. As we know, our muscular system is going to provide a majority of our body's movement, but it doesn't just provide a majority of our body's movement, it also provides a majority of our body's heat as well.
Hello, I am Francine, and I will be speaking on the 3 structures and functions of the 11 organ systems in the body. First, the respiratory system supplies the body with oxygen and rids it of carbon dioxide. The immune system fights against foreign invaders, and the structure, as portrayed, is labeled with organs that makes up the immune system. Our last system is the endocrine system that secretes hormone for growth and development. This structure is also labeled with organs that makes up the endocrine system. Thank you for watching, and take proper care of your organs so they may function efficiently.